Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to apply a lace frontal with lace tape. So in this first clip, I'm just showing you what I did to prep my hair, and all I did was apply my Gots to Be glue in the yellow bottle, and then I put the freeze blast on it, and I'm just blow drying my hair on the cool setting, and I did that until it was dry. So I was just feeling to see was it still sticky. Next, I'm just showing you the tape I'm using, and you can use any kind of tape you want. I've used this tape before, so I just wanted to stick to what I knew. And I'm pretty much just placing the tape not too much in my hairline and not too much on my 12 head, because I don't want to minimize my forehead. So I was just seeing where will be the perfect placement for me to put my tape at. And then I just used 3 strips, one down the middle, one on and one on each side. And as you guys can see, I don't have a cap on my head. This is because this was a sew-in my hair, and my frontal got messed up rather quickly. So this was just an easy fix for me to get another week or two use out of my sew-in with my frontal. So I'm just placing those lace tapes where I feel they would fit best, and I waited maybe 5 to 6 minutes for them to dry. I didn't put any blow dryer on it. I just let it sit for about 5 or 6 minutes before I peeled the tape off and started applying my frontal. So no, I'm really close, but I wanted to get you guys really up close and personal to see exactly what I was doing, and just to show you guys exactly how to put your frontal on your lace tape. So I'm taking my tape off, well, the sticker off the lace adhesive, and I'm going to put my frontal exactly where my lace tape starts. And then I'm going to do that for each side. I start usually in the middle, and then I take my rat tail comb and I just make sure that I'm securing my lace frontal onto the tape really tightly. So I just take the end of the rat tail comb and then I just stick it on where I just placed my frontal at until I feel it's pretty secure, and then I take another piece of tape off just so that I can start adhering piece by piece. You don't want to take all of the pieces of stickers off at once, because then if you mess up, you're wearing out your lace tape. So you want to go piece by piece and side by side, starting with the middle. So that's exactly what I did, and that's what I'm going to do for each side. And then once I showed you guys one side, I sped the other side up just because it was literally the exact same process as what I did on the other side. So I'm going to shut up and I'm going to just let you see exactly what I was doing. After I finished each side laying my lace frontal down, I took my scarf and I laid my hair down for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, I laid my hair down for about 15 to 20 minutes with my scarf, and then afterwards I didn't show the part where I did my baby hairs, the two baby hairs on camera, because I do have a tutorial on how to slay your edges, so I will leave that in the cards above. But I didn't do anything else to the hairline. I didn't try to mimic it or do it any other type of way besides running my comb through it, just so that I can give it a more natural appearance, because my lace was so light, because I didn't have that stocking cap under my hair. So I probably could have put my foundation on my hairline, but I just wanted to apply my frontal, and then I could have did that maybe in the morning or a different day. So I'm just showing you guys exactly what I did last. I didn't do anything else to the frontal when I took the scarf off, except put those two baby hair swoops on the top of my hair. Okay, you guys, so that concludes this hair tutorial. I'm just showing you guys a quick and easy method to laying your frontals back down or your lace closures, and it is using lace tape. As you guys can see, this was minimalistic and it didn't require a lot of doing, and it was pretty much no mess with this method. I really like this, and I've used this tape before, so I know that this holds for at least 2 weeks, as long as you take proper care of it. And as you can see, like, you don't get the shiny look that you may get with some lace glues. So if you want to purchase this hair tape, I will put a link where I got mine from. I got it from Missy Hair Boutique. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like my hair tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.